Okay, good morning. Let's look at the insides of an inhaler. You all knows this. Everybody staying here in South Africa, you have this inhaler, and then you put it in your nose, and then you breathe through this, and then there's like a Vicks or something in there that put some like fresh menthol in your nose. Okay, this is an old one. This is about 10 years old. I just want to open it and see how it looks inside, because there's still something in here, but there's nothing. This don't smell. I just wonder if it's a chunk of menthol they put in here, of like something that soak up something. What I'm going to do, I'm going to first quickly cut this thing open, and then we see how it looks inside. See, here's the holes where the air comes in, and then there's a little thing that you can't, maybe it stops this thick parts to go through into your nose. Okay, so I'm going to cut it with my hacksaw, and you can see inside here, there's the stuff that's inside there. You can see here it's like a piece of sponge. It's like looks like a cigarette butt, more or less. And this is where they put the smell or the Vicks stuff in there. They just open. I actually cut it in half, so it's relatively long. What you have this thing inside here. Look how long it is. I thought it's just a piece of small thing inside here. So I guess if you can put some Vicks or some car oil, you get this other smelly Vicks stuff in here. It will soak it up, and then you can use it for a while again. That's why I say, I normally put a pin in here, like this pin, and then you breathe, and then it doesn't go and block and top here. So this is more how it works. So this is interesting to see how an inhaler is working inside here. So I guess if you drill up this one, the holes is a little bit plugged. It's not so big. Just make sure there's enough air that's gonna come in there. Then you can have a nice flow of air through. Okay, this is the Vicks inhaler. Fast relief from stuffy noses. Very interesting. Expiry date 2028. This one is 2019, so it is like already 7 years old. Okay, that's all from my side this morning. Until next time, cheers.